the past year especially, we've seen the rise of NFTs and the metaverse, and really seeing how brands are integrating themselves with not only the consumer person-wise, but their lives online. We've also had more extravagant fashion collaborations with high-end brands such as Gucci, Prada, Miu Miu, and even more. Another trend we've seen is the rise of sustainability, but really what does that mean? Are we reusing new products? Are we trying different fabrics and materials in order to get different results?
The key future trends are really based on how a business makes decisions. The first is really having an honest appraisal of what your output's going to be. Do you really need to make it? Asking yourself tough questions to validate the reason for even engaging.
I think for us as a brand, we're very classic and very into sort of that theme that is never going to go out of trend. And we've seen a lot recently where that's coming more in, isn't it?
A lot of our clients are very attuned to TickTock. It's become, of course, a really interesting brand marketing channel for all major brand owners. But what they're also doing is scouting TickTock for licensing trends and thinking about if we see something on TickTock, we might not be able to get after it fast enough, but do we have a licensee? Can we find a partner who might be able to be agile and get after something that's really trending in the moment?
I just went to a festival and I got an NFT when I went to the festival. So I can see like 2023 basically it picking up a bit more and more brands adopting it as a good way to kind of give something more to the visitor of the experience or the event.
Post-pandemic, I think people are looking for a lot more honesty, sustainability around products. So it's important to make sure that you're very, very clear about who you're targeting, what the reason is, be authentic, create really good brand stories and brand experiences for the consumer.